Now we do the wipers in this puppy. Black puppy. It's actually an elephant. There's a baby on board. Oh, whoa, what the? Out, out, she pops out. See, you squeeze outward. Lift, says me. Put this in your pocket. Then, lift upward. Doing it with one arm, or one hand, I mean. Kind of tough. Alright, so you sort of unlock it out of the socket, and then it goes, oh, you see? This rod goes up in and back down. Locks into place. Done. See that? 42 seconds. Now, let's go do these and get her out of the sun. Now, with an 8-foot step ladder, because this vehicle's pretty high, I'm 6 foot, pull the arm towards you. I already started. Push this guy in and slide it up out of the track. You see? Not so hard now, is it? Let's see, get it all the way out. There we go. Come on. Do not let that hit the windshield, because you just bought yourself a $3,000 windshield, and I'm not paying for it because I told you not to do it. So there you go. That one is, I'll go measure. Let's go measure. Same thing. Push in, slide out. Look, you even do it on the glass. See that? No magic. It's actually easier. But this guy, yeah, if you're tall enough, sure. Let's go measure. There we go. What's that, 26? Ow, pretty hot. 26? Yeah, maybe 48. Let's go see what the passenger side is. We got 19. There you go. Link will be in the description. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.